I wish for you, I wish for me, I wish for all the world to live in harmony. These are the opening words in our heartfelt song, A Wish for Peace. This single song kit is a 2-part treble piece with piano and optional flute parts written by Denise Gagne and Craig Cassils. Single song kits are a great value for the teachers, and as our most popular single song kit, we recommend this one for either assemblies or choral performances. All single song kits are downloads only. With the kit, you get the piano vocal score, performance and accompaniment MP3s, a reproducible vocal score, and a projectable for your computer projector or smartboard. Find this lovely song kit through musicplay.ca, and don't forget to share your performances with us on one of our social media platforms.